For the glute bridge, we're going to come down onto our back. We're going to position our feet so that they're hip width distance apart, and we're going to have them so that when we come up, our shins are vertical and we have a 90-degree bend in the knee. If they're too far out, you're going to feel it more in your hamstring, and if they're too close in, you're going to feel it more in your quads. And we want to find that sweet spot so that we get right in the glutes. This is a glute exercise, and we want to make sure we concentrate that the exercise there. So for the upper body, what your setup is going to look like is first you're going to exhale all your air. This helps to get your ribs ironed down. So if you look at my rib, a little poked out there, watch when I exhale. It gets nice and flat, and that's a good position for the ribs. I can breathe under it. It's all good. I'm not holding my breath. Then I'm going to take my elbows. I'm going to drive them into close to my side. I'm going to drive them into the ground, and then I'm going to be looking just up at the ceiling. From here, I'm going to lift my hips. I'm going to drive them up, and I'm going to squeeze my glutes. So I'm even going to tilt them up a little bit or curl them under, and then I'm going to come down, driving my elbows into the ground and my heels. And if you need to, you can lift up your toes to really get that drive from your heels into the ground. So driving elbows, heels, lift. And also you'll notice from my knees to my shoulders, I've got a pretty straight line. So the other thing you don't want to do is you don't want to come up onto your shoulders. You don't want to get into the low back. That can create some pain and it's uncomfortable, and we're not trying to do that. We're trying to concentrate the work here in the glutes. So come down, drive the elbows, heels, lift. So I'm going to reset my ribs. Drive up and exhale on the way up. Inhale on the way down. And that's the glute bridge.